.NET Core provides a simple and effective way to read a value from your app settings.json file, and that mechanism is called as option pattern. In my current example, I am having a section named as API keys, and inside it I am having a two keys named as product API key and customer API key. Now my goal is to read these two keys into my source code with the help of an option pattern. To start with, the very first step I have to do is I have to create a class file. The name of the class file can be anything, but the properties that you are defining inside the class file should exactly match with the name of the key that you have defined inside your app settings.json file. Once this step is done, then you have to go to program.cs, and inside program.cs you need to define a line which says builder.services.configure, and then you will tell .NET Core ecosystem that whatever the section that I have defined inside the API keys, read the value and assign it inside this class object itself. And the final step is how to read those keys value. So you have to go to your controller file, and inside a controller you need to inject an IOption interface inside a controller constructor, and in the constructor part you need to define the object of your that particular class which you have created, followed by options.value. This will perform in a runtime. It will read the value from my configuration, will bind it in the relevant class file, and then I can use them with the help of single line API keys dot product API keys and API keys model dot customer API key model to lead the relevant value. This step or this process is very simple, effective, and it is not an error prone as well. Also in .NET Core ecosystem, it also exposed couple of interfaces like IOptionMonitor and IOptionsSnapshot, which serve some different purpose, which I will be covering in my detailed video on this topic. Thank you.